Hello, everyone. My name is Ben Burke. I am an undergraduate in the chemical engineering department at MIT. Today, I'll be talking to you about circularizing the carbon economy through bio-inspired CO2 up-conversion. As we all know, carbon dioxide causes climate change. 84% of that carbon dioxide can be attributed to human activity. Instead of considering carbon dioxide to be a waste stream, which is continuously dumped into the environment, carbon dioxide could serve as a feedstock for many valuable chemicals, shown here on the right. So how do we do that? Electrochemistry could offer a solution to this problem. Here is the closed carbon cycle, where we take on carbon dioxide and water from the environment, combine that with clean energy, and through electrochemical conversion, create chemicals and fuels. Today, we're going to focus on this electrochemical conversion. So here's a simple model of a carbon dioxide molecule in water trapped at a catalyst site near an electrode in a classic electrochemical system. When we apply voltage to this system, the carbon dioxide bonds are broken, and we're able to proceed with the reactions that give us those products that we want. This seems like a simple model, so why isn't this widespread? This system itself is relatively inefficient with current technology, and therefore economically not feasible at the moment. So today, we're going to focus on this interface between the electrode and the catalyst particles. So here is an example of what a catalyst particle looks like for these carbon dioxide reductions. And these catalysts need to be localized, anchored near the electrode in order to have efficient charge transfer. But they cannot be plated directly, as this essentially freezes the molecule and prevents it from effectively reducing carbon. So how do we anchor them near the electrode and stabilize the system as a whole without impacting efficiency? At the first lab, we take inspiration from over 4 billion years of evolution in the form of biomaterials. And so we ask the unconventional question, what if DNA could help us with this problem? Most of us think of DNA as the genetic material that exists in all of our cells encoding that information. But DNA also has some pretty incredible materials properties, one of which we like to think of as Velcro. The famous double helix is held together by hydrogen bonding. When we add heat to that system, the hydrogen bonds can be broken apart so that the strands come apart. And upon cooling, according to complementary pairing, that can come back together. We like to think of this as a Velcro. So how does this help with electrocatalysis? Well, we came up with the bio-inspired DNA tether model. Here you anchor a catalyst particle, shown here in a red sphere, to a single strand of DNA. And we anchor the DNA's complementary pair to the electrode itself. And upon cooling, we end up with these tethers that immobilize the catalyst near the electrode, but still allow them to be mobile enough to do their jobs as catalysts. So in comparison to free catalysts, we end up with much improved stability in their catalyst performance, as well as a great improvement in their energy efficiency. And this is the big hurdle towards adoption of this technology, so this is very exciting. So why are we so excited about the DNA tethering advantage? Well, for example, syngas is a precursor to synthetic diesel and other fuels. And in our system, we've seen 5-fold increase in the product we can produce per unit of energy inputted to the system, which saves an energy equivalent of 7 million barrels of oil each year. While our technology is poised to take a step forward in carbon capture, our team has unique expertise to ensure success. With over 2 decades of advanced chemical engineering knowledge and a Sloan MBA and all the wonderful resources here at the Deshpande Center. So come talk to us if you're excited about sustainability and want to take a step forward in reversing climate change. Thank you for your time.